So here's this message. It's about the windshield washing fluid, and let's see how to refill that. So open the engine compartment, pull that from. Insert your hand here and pull it up. Pull up this. Okay, here's the windshield washer. That's the recipient. You have to insert the liquid there. Okay, this liquid is for summer, that's why it's yellow, so it will freeze in the winter time. It is 5 liters. Let's see, can I do it with one hand? Not really. Oops. Check for any liquids down there. Nothing. So more than half of it is in already. Wow, all 5 liters entered. There's the reservoir. The error should be gone. That's the automatic lights, it's off. Simply pull it towards you. The error is gone.